people? Welcome to another episode of SewAddicts. So yes, it's me. I know I have been gone a while. I have been gone about 3 or 4 weeks now, maybe. I know, guys. I'm so sorry. I do have a pretty good story. I do have a pretty good excuse for why I've been gone. And yes, U-Haul boxes. I'm going to be explaining that later. So, yeah, I do have a little bit of backstory. I've been gone for about 3 or 4 weeks now. It's been kind of a crazy month. Yeah. August was cray-cray. So I guess I would start by saying I did move, by the way. U-Haul boxes. Yeah, so I moved from Chicago to California. So I'm currently in Southern California, Ventura, California, to be exact, which is the greater part of Los Angeles. But yeah, so I had a job change. I got offered a job out here. You guys know my background is in marketing. I got offered a job out here. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do the damn thing. So I decided to actually move out here at the beginning of August. Now, the reason I've been gone for such a while is because I actually had my stuff shipped here, but it didn't get here in time. When I moved to California, I was expecting my stuff to actually get here when I arrived. But unfortunately, they let me know that there was been some kind of delay and I didn't have my stuff for 3 weeks. So I was stuffless when I moved here. I probably had like 5 items of clothing and that was it. I didn't have anything really. So yeah, that's pretty much where I've been gone. I wasn't able to shoot any content. My sewing machine was on a truck in Timbuktu somewhere. I have no idea. But yeah, so I don't know. It's been kind of crazy, to be honest. Like, I didn't realize how much I actually really liked creating content for you guys and sewing and doing all that stuff till it wasn't there anymore. I know 3 weeks, it was probably, I would say, like very, very top of one of the hardest things I've ever done, or one of the hardest things I've ever been through, just because I know it's crazy. Like, I wasn't able to sew, and not having that choice to not do anything or create was really, really hard. I'm not sure how you guys feel about that, if you get like that when you don't sew, but I guess that's one thing I kind of realize now. Like, this is actually a really, really big part of my life. It's such like a stress reliever. It's kind of therapeutic, and because I wasn't able to do it, it put me in this really, really bad funk. But I'm shooting a video now, so obviously I did get my stuff. I actually got my stuff yesterday, and look at me, I'm already creating content. But yeah, so it's been kind of a crazy month. August was just like all over the place, me trying to settle in. And of course, again, with the U-Haul boxes, like I literally just got my stuff yesterday, and I'm not even sure where to start unpacking. Like, this is not my thing. I don't do unpacking. I hate packing. I don't do unpacking. I don't know why people move. It's just really, really stressful. It is. It's like one of the most stressful things. I know, if anyone can, like, if anyone is out here and want to come help me like unpack, that would like really, really be appreciated. But I guess I'm just gonna have to do it one box at a time. If you guys have any tips on like how to unpack, if that makes sense, that would actually be good. Shoot me some tips at the bottom, please, because I'm losing my mind. But yeah, so I'm super excited to be back. I'm definitely gonna be creating more content for you guys. You have no idea. I'm really, really excited. And I know, because I've been gone, I wasn't actually even able to announce the giveaway. Like, are you kidding me? I know you guys have been so patient. Some of you have actually reached out to me like, where are the prizes? But thank you for being so patient. I do have the winners actually picked out. So the winner of the cordless sewing machine is actually Joe Char from Las Vegas, Nevada. Joe Char, you are the proud owner of a cordless sewing machine. So yay you, Joe Char. The second prize is over 15 yards of fabric, and the winner of that one is Perris H. So Perris H from Naperville, Illinois, my state. So Naperville, Illinois, Perris H, you're the proud owner of 15 yards of fabric. And the last name is actually a little bit of a tongue twister, so I did write this down so I don't have to butcher it. But Eugenio Camilo de Oliveira Santana from Lagarto, Brazil. You are the proud owner of 3 exclusive patterns from any of my tutorials. So thank you so much for you guys for participating in the giveaway. And if you did hear your name, please reach out to me within a week or a week and a half or so. If you don't reach out to me, I will have to repick the winners, or I will have to repick the winner of that particular prize. So make sure to reach out to me, email me, DM me, Facebook me, Snapchat me, Twitter me. Yeah, just send me a message anywhere so I can ship out your prize to you. If you didn't win any of the items in this giveaway, do not worry. I have so much more stuff to come. Like, you guys are going to just be excited. It's going to be more. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be extreme. It's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be all kinds of stuff. So do not worry, you're definitely gonna be having more chances to win other amazing prizes. So I really appreciate you guys being patient to me, and thank you for some of the people that actually checked up on me to see what was going on. You know, that I wasn't like somewhere, not to be morbid, but I really appreciate you guys reaching out to me. And again, if you did win any of your prizes, please make sure to reach back out to me. I'm super excited to be back. It's gonna be a great September. I feel it, I know. Again, I'm gonna be super busy unpacking, but I'm definitely gonna try and create content for this week coming up as well. So make sure to keep an eye out. I do appreciate you guys being on this episode of SewAddicts. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit down that subscribe button to see more awesome videos from me. And make sure to even follow me on any of my social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, yeah, all of that stuff, just to see some of the stuff I'm up to day to day. So thank you so much for joining me on another episode of SewAddicts, and I hope to catch you awesome SewAddicts next week.